There are several ways to earn money as a graphic designer. Here are some common avenues to explore. 1. Freelancing. Many graphic designers start their careers as freelancers. You can offer your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, or promote your work through your own website or social media channels. Clients may hire you for projects such as logo design, branding, website graphics, social media posts, or print materials. Set your rates based on your skills, experience, and the complexity of the project. 2. Design contests. Participate in design contests on platforms like 99 Designs or DesignCrowd. These platforms allow clients to create design contests where designers submit their work based on the given brief. If your design is selected as the winner, you earn a prize or a contract for the project. 3. Client referrals. Build relationships with clients and encourage them to refer you to their contacts. Word-of-mouth referrals can be a powerful way to attract new clients and expand your network. 4. Corporate design work. Approach local businesses or corporations and offer your graphic design services for their branding, advertising, or marketing needs. This may involve designing logos, brochures, business cards, packaging, or digital assets. 5. Print-on-demand services. Utilize print-on-demand services like Printful or Redbubble to create and sell your designs on various products such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. When a customer purchases a product with your design, you earn a commission. 6. Stock graphic marketplaces. Sell your graphic design resources, such as icons, illustrations, or templates, on stock graphic marketplaces like Shutterstock, Creative Market, or Envato Elements. You earn royalties each time your design is downloaded or purchased. 7. Online courses and education. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses or tutorials on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. This allows you to monetize your knowledge and skills while helping others learn graphic design. 8. Self-promotion and personal projects. Showcase your design work through a portfolio website or social media platforms like Behance, Dribbble, or Instagram. Engage with the design community, collaborate with other creatives, and work on personal projects to expand your portfolio and attract potential clients. Remember, building a successful graphic design career takes time, dedication, and continuous learning. Stay updated with design trends, software skills, and industry standards to deliver high-quality work. Focus on building strong relationships with clients and providing excellent customer service to foster long-term partnerships. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.